Hey, how's your day? We did some quarantine cooking and we made a Dalgona coffee latte. It's a Korean style latte. It's super creamy and delicious. And so we're going to tell you how to make it for your quarantine cooking. Here's how. So you'll need coffee, sugar, and hot water. And you pour it into one bowl and you whisk it so that they can be melted together. When you put in your coffee, sugar, and hot water, you want it to be a 1:1:1 ratio. Like if you have 1 tablespoon of coffee, you want 1 tablespoon of sugar and hot water as well. Now we're just going to whisk. And through the magic of editing, this video is going to be a bit shorter, but it actually takes a bit longer, and so you just whisk. I know quarantine is a bit hard, but you can do other things, like cook. And you're going to be cooking if you're watching this video and actually following along, just passing on the time, doing something useful, instead of sitting around, watching every show on Netflix and stuff. So now just whisk. And so all you're doing is melting it together, getting that froth started. And if you don't have a mixer, an electric mixer, you need to do it 400 times with the whisk. Good thing we have an electric mixer, am I right? So now we're just going to use the electric mixer and we're going to mix it and make it all frothy. This one takes a bit longer, but when you just mix it up to get the froth in, you have to wait till it looks like that. It looks like a golden brown. And then once you're done with that froth, you get your cup of milk and you just put it on top like it's sort of a topping. And it looks like this. Wow, what a mess. It was super good though.